For starters, like the way that I envision the world in my hopes for what already is potentiality that we can possess but like just haven't for some reason incorporates this idea of intangible interconnectedness, humanity, love, support. It's that is what, you know, keeps us all from basically imploding. And so there should always just be this idea of support and family. It's a gumbo. And in order for this gumbo to be righteous, we need all of the spices. And we need them at certain temperaments, temperatures, times, moments. Not to say that the salt was less important because we're putting it in later. It still is a part of the roux. And so that idea has to translate. Otherwise, what are we doing? You know, what actually are we doing? We're just like showing brute effort for strength and for applause. What is that? We should be having a discussion of, you know, you should be wanting to change things in your life as a person by the work that you watch, by the art that you open up and receive. I want to give a feeling to the audience of comfort as if they were out on the lanai, you know, after work in the evening and the sun is setting. It's that golden hour. Your day may not have actually been great at all. You may have had a terrible day, but you're there in that moment now processing through it. And whatever that space where you've let down all of your gates and you're your fullest self to actually receive feeling something where that can thrive. As I'm choreographing on them, you know, I'm going through my personal investigation and discovery of what these moments or what these worlds will look like viscerally. Because, you know, as artists, we are considered to only really be the performer, but it's so much more. We're reacting and responding to the environment around us. So I'm trying to create a world that affects the dancer's temperament and the audience's perception of this world. So what's the goal? The goal is to allow the viewers to feel as much as the dancers are feeling for that one moment in time, so that we're reminded that we are all one. It's not, oh, you're a dancer, I'm a human. No, you're a dancer too, and I'm a human too. It's reminding us of the totality of how our love can literally keep us together.